so that's our first pass through on Samba Party by Santana. So we're gonna go. Going up an A minor scale there, we got 7, 9, 10 on the D, 7 here, and then we're gonna go a quick slide, 8 to 9. Just make it a little jazzy, little slide there, so we got. Go to that 8 on the second string. Then we'll have a 5 to 7 on the G string, quick slide, so we got. Okay, and this is kind of real quiet and subtle, but it's kind of an open 4-7 on the G string, 6 to 7 B string there. Okay, and the chords happening here are, we have the pickup, that's a G chord right there. Then we go, that's gonna be a B minor chord, and then E minor, we're not playing anything on the lead. And then we're back to A minor 7. And that 4-chord progression, G, B minor, E minor, A minor 7 is gonna go twice in this. So once we hit the A minor 7, we're gonna have, it's the same riff, but it waits a little longer to get started. So it's a little more swingy. It's like rest. Into that same thing there. Now this time we're gonna go extra 7 there on that second string, wait for the E minor. We got A minor 7 again. So quick one, 5 to 7 on the E. Hammer on pull off to the 8 on the second string. Pull off and then unison bend up to the 10 and 7 there. So let's look at everything we got. E minor chord. A minor 7. That's a G chord, B minor, we got an E minor again, A minor 7, okay, and that was a D chord when we went from the A minor 7, have the bends, back to an A minor 7, D again. Now this one is after the, we got A minor 7, so we're gonna have 2 kind of hammer on pull off. 8 and then pull off, up and down to that 5. And we got a 5, 7, 5, 7. So from the then we have this little riff. Okay, so that was 5 on the second, 7, 5, 4, 5, 7, 5 on the second. 7th fret of the D string, and it passes the A minor chord, and we have this little thing over the B minor. So 4-7 on the G, quick little 4 to 5, and these are kind of real quiet and subtle, like a lot of these. Listen for the timing on that. But 4-7, 4 to 5 to 7 on the second, back to that 4-7. Okay, so we had the A minor passes, and then B minor we go. A minor we go. So quick one, hammer and pull off, 5 to 8, and then pull off, 8 again. So it's, and then we have an organ fill. We have a couple of D chords come pass, and then on the second D we're gonna go. Same riff as the beginning. Now here we just go 4-7, 6-7, 7 twice, and then this we're gonna go. So we have a little fill where it's like a pickup note on the 7 on the second, and then we're gonna pull off 7 on the G, 9 on the D, quick into the 9 on the G. So it's E minor chord passes, come back to A minor 7. We have the top riff again. Slinky one, then we have the 4-7, 6-7. Now we're gonna have. Okay, so we're gonna rake these 12s on the bottom 3 strings, and that's where you just rake across. We want to hear that smallest string loudest. Okay, Okay, so after the rake, we're gonna bend that 15 on the second. Little 12. We got that 14 on the G string, up and down and pull off to 14 on the D. Okay, then we're gonna have. Okay, so kind of like what we had before. We got the quick one, hammer on, pull off on that 8-5 in the second, 5 and 8, 10 and 7, unison bend, A minor again. We got so a couple hammer on pull offs, kind of a slow pull off to that one. Come into the 10. That could also have been like a bend on that 8, like. Now this one just waits slightly longer to do this. Okay, that was 5, 7, 5, 4. Coming back up, 5, 7 on the D. Now here we go. At the end of this measure, we're gonna go 7, 8. Then we're gonna go 9 to 7 on the G string there. And then a quick 7 to 9 coming back. And then quick 8 to 9, so 7, 9, 7. And then this 5 happens a little before the measure. Then we have another little break here. So from that thing again, we got. Okay, we have a couple D chords go by, then we move into a new thing with a G chord. Okay, so we had 8 here, the G note, 3 8s and a 10, little 7, unison bend on that 10, 7, so it's 10 and 13, 12 and 15. Then we're on A minor, we got. So hammer on pull off, 8, 7 on the second, and then 7, 8 to little 5. Okay, we don't have the last high bend on that one. Same thing there. Okay, then we have a little feel shift, and we have on G chord, we have. So we have some 3s here, 3 3s, and then hammer into the 5. Little 3, 5, 5 to 7. Then we have same thing, just 3 5 here. Then we got a 3 5 3 on the second, and then on the last beat of that measure we go have a little 5. So we got. Got that one at the end. Let me do it again. Okay, now we're gonna go 7 on the G and 8 to 10 on the E string. We're gonna go. Okay, so we got all that coming up. So we got 7 on the G and then 8 to 10 on the E. So it's like 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 8, 7. Quick pull off, so it's 8, 7, 8, 5, 7, 3. You got one of those again. Could be hammer on pull off, could be a slide. Now it's gonna hit that 5 there and we get into this riff. Okay, so we have 3, 3, 5, 3, and then 5. We're gonna bend that 3 with the ring finger. Open on the B string. 2 bend on the G string. So we got. So we have the bend on the 2. Open on the B and E. 3 open on the B string. 2 up and down pull off on the G string down to that 2 on the D. So we got. Now we're gonna go 7 to 10 slide. So we can have like 3 10s. Okay, so we got. Now on this one, we're gonna wait a tiny bit before we hit that 5/7. 3 and 3 5 3. Now our last thing is. So a little 12, bend that 15 on the second, bring it down, hit a series of 15s, and that's as far as we're gonna go today. So let's take a look again. We got. Got E minor passes, back to A minor 7. E minor passes again, A minor 7. Got that organ break, and we're gonna have. E minor passes, back to A minor 7. Got that rake. Got a little break. We got G coming up. Okay, Samba Party Part 2 coming up someday soon. Hope you all dig this. 2 pages of tabs. Talk to y'all soon.